Hey you, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Explorer Simulator. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to make sure to slam that like button, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and hop right in the video. So guys, I'm not going to be pausing the video today. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So, in my opinion, we only have this. Should I know what to do with? Wait, did he just break that tree? Wait a minute. I'm getting something. I don't know what it is, but keep breaking the tree, guys. Now he's stealing my kills. I mean my tree thing, whatever that you call it. Give me more. I don't know. Faster. Get out of here. Your backpack is full. Okay. Come here and go to the south, please. Where's the south? So, $25. Alright, I'll pay. I want a pickaxe. It's 450 gold. The regular pickaxe is 450 gold. What the heck? It's so expensive. Alright, let's go ahead and get this tree. Alright, let's get the tree, boys. Guys, get the tree, boys. Get the tree. Oh my god. Oh my god. The tree's almost dead. But it's not falling down for some reason. My god just got, oh my god. It's not falling down. It's not falling down. My backpack's full already. My backpack's so small. Small one. Oh god, everything is a lot of money. Everything is a lot of money. Alright, we're saving up for a pickaxe or a bag. I think we should save up for the bag. Or the pickaxe. Because if I save up, how about pickaxe? Pickaxe. Bro, pickaxe. That was a big tree. Can we do this one? Come on. Come on, get this tree even. We got one, now we get twice. Let's go. 4 more times. My backpack's full. Go ahead. So sell this thing. Not a lie, this game is actually fun. Gonna keep going. How do you do pickaxe? If you know how to do the wood, you'll know how to do pickaxe. But it's not time now. I'm not waiting for the pickaxe now. I'm just gonna get a lot of money. Yeah. I don't even know when this game was created, but I know Gorilla when it was. Gorilla, it's a new game. Even a lot of new games happened that became popular today. Oh my god. Well, other games. Yeah, I saw a lot. Okay. I'm going to go sell this. If you guys don't know, my favorite color is black. Oh guys, you want me to do a Q&A? If you don't know what Q&A is, you guys put your questions in the comments that I answer it. No, I don't know. But yeah, okay, let's do it. Put your answers in the comments. If there's literally nothing, I'll be so sad. I'll be so sad. So please, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and just keep buying and going until I can literally just get the thing I want. So this game takes long. Why? Why did they make it take long? Why do you want to force it? Is this an axe? Right. In my opinion, that's not an axe. What is that? Oh! swimming to the ocean, be alive. I'm swimming to the ocean. Hardwood Island. Oh, is this for the pros? I think this is the pros with Hardwood, the pros line. I'm in the pros land. Holy, alright, it is hard. Don't judge that it's hard. The way it is hard. Either way, this place is actually kind of far away. Oh my god. Oh, my backpack's full. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stay in that island. What's that? I'll check out later. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and stay in my island because, in my opinion, I shouldn't stay in that island. You know why, guys? I'll tell you why. Because that island is not for me, it's for Biggie. And that island is hard to make trees. So I think when I get the 100 backpack, I'll be going there. This is Slug Island. What the does that even mean? Now, where's that cell? I want a cell. Really want a cell? Wait, teleport checkpoint. What's the checkpoint? Next is teleport to checkpoint. I lag so much. I literally can teleport to the checkpoint. It doesn't take long. That's good. So running back. Alright. Alright. Can I get out of here? No, then you have to go back and back and back. Still, it's gonna take long. So much to do. Oh my god, I'm so laggy. It's not full anymore. They should add codes to the game. Well, do they have codes? Use resources in your bag. Save. What does that mean? I think they mean that. Alright. Oh my god, the lag! Holy lag! So guys, I think this lag will go and go even worse. I'll put the link down below. To follow me on Twitter and on Instagram for the face reveal. I do have a face reveal and it's on Instagram only. This face reveal was a long time ago. Either way, it was a long time ago. So guys, I think I'm a bit different than that now for now. But guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to slam that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Next video will be about this. And I'll be getting the pickaxe because I'll be having a lot of money because I'll be playing this game a lot. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.